Hello guys, this is Erkan here. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about how to earn money through Payoneer. Yes guys, this is possible. This is possible to earn money from Payoneer. That is called Payoneer refer system. It is very simple that I am showing you. First of all, you have to go to your browser. You must have a Payoneer account to do this. Okay, I am going to Payoneer website. Here is the website. This is Payoneer.com. It is an international bank. Okay, as you need a account on Payoneer, so you can make account from here. You have to click register and then fill up your details. But you have another option. You can earn $25 by signing up through a refer link. As if your friend give you a refer link and you sign up through this refer link, then you both will get $25 bonus. Okay, I am showing it. It is normal way, and now I am showing you the refer system link. Here is a refer link. Okay, I am using shorten link and I am pasting it into my browser. Okay, look, we have got the option sign up and earn $25. If you sign up through a refer link, you will see this page. Sign up and earn $25. And the signing up process is same. Here is getting started, contact details, security details, almost done. And check it. Sign up and earn $25. Okay, here is the same option. Getting started, contact details, security details, almost done. And filling up process is also and exactly same to same. Okay, individual or company. Okay, we are individual. Okay, first name. I'm giving you a sample. Yeah. Um, Enter email address. Date of birth, mention of 19 August 2. Okay, this is simple. And here is the same option: first name, last name, email address, re-enter email address, and date of birth. And next, your contact details. You have to fill up your contact details. Okay, please fill in valid date. Oh, sorry, my date was okay, 1990. Okay, next. You will provide your country here. I am providing, okay, I'm providing United Kingdom. your address line on address line 2, optional city, town, postal, zip, and your phone number here. And it is very simple way to. Next you have to put your national ID card number and then submit it. Okay, it is very simple, as I have created a Payoneer account previously, so I am not creating it now. It is very simple. You will easily can do it. Okay, now I am signing in to my Payoneer account. Here is the sign in option. Okay, look, this is my account. The topic is we have to earn $25 by referring each friend. Okay, here is the option. Refer a friend, earn $25. Okay, here is written that earn $25 when you refer friends to Payoneer. Okay, tell your friend about Payoneer. Your friend signs up. It must be through your refer link, and when you sign up, then you both earn $25. Okay, here is the refer link. This is the refer link. Okay, the thing is, after your friend signs up and receives a total of $1,000, then you both earn a $25 reward. Without you and your friend is not getting bonus. Your friend must transact $1,000 to get bonus. Otherwise, you both are not getting bonus. This is the thing. But when your friend will transact $1,000 into his account, you both will get $25 reward. Okay, here is my link. I am copying it. Okay, then I am pasting it into my desktop. Text document. Okay, I'm not renaming it. Okay, I'm pasting my refer link here. Okay, but look, the refer link is so big, so we have to make short this link. Okay, for this you will go to your browser and type tiny URL and search. Okay, tinyurl.com. This is the site. Okay, now here is your link. Okay, Control C. I'm copying it and I'm pasting it here. Okay, make tiny URL. Look, here is your link. https://tinyurl.com/y4p6 7k7x. Okay, copy to clipboard. Okay, now write it here. Tiny URL. Okay, here is tiny URL. Okay, you wanna check it works or not. Okay, Control C. I am pasting it to my browser. Control V. Okay. Look, here is the page. If you refer your friend your link and your friend go through your link and you will see this page, sign up and earn $25. This is very simple. Okay, now I am cutting it. So what do you think? It is simple or hard? If you have friend who using Payoneer account, you can easily ask him for his refer link so that you can get $25 when you first sign up. Otherwise, I will give my refer link to next lecture. If you want, you can join through my refer link. I'll provide you into my next lecture. Okay, thanks for today. Thanks for watching my video.